Welcome to our tutorial about working with precise input. Let's start by activating the Draw tool. Precise input can be turned on and off here. Let's enter coordinates for the first point right here. 0, tab 0. Enter to register. Now let's enter the length of the first line. Let's say 50 millimeters. Tab key. At 45 degrees, press Enter. Now we specify the position with a left click. The second line will be 50 millimeters also, tab, at 45 degrees. And press Enter to accept. Once again, let's specify the line location. Let's create a third line now, also 50 millimeters in length. Tab, at 45 degrees. Enter. And specify the line location with a left click. Let's close the profile now. Press Escape to exit the tool. The dimensions that we entered are called transient dimensions. That means they're not permanent. When I select a line, the dimensions become visible. Let's enter a value here of 70 millimeters. Enter to accept, and as you see, the length of my line changes. I can also simply grab the entity and drag it around in the graphic area. Let's undo that. And this concludes our tutorial about working with precise input.